Oh my gosh, guys, I think I'm about to get Xbox Game Pass. Yo, it worked! Free Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This is insane. Oh my gosh. It actually works, guys. This is so cool. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Xbox Game Pass for free in 2026. So what you need to do is go to the website couponslands.net. So let me just type it in right here. So this is the website, guys. So once you're on the site, just go to the search bar, or you can find the Xbox Game Pass in the results. But I'm going to go ahead and look for it. So as you can see, there's the Xbox Game Pass. So I'm going to press get code. Then I'm going to press show code. And it's basically going to give me a code so I can get 12 months of Xbox Game Pass for free. So let's just give it a minute for this to load up. And the last thing we need to do is go ahead and press the button that says get full code. And it's going to bring us to the last step, which is the verification. So basically we need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. So as you can see, I'm going to download this first one. So it's going to take me to the App Store. So let's just wait for this to load. So going to bring me to the App Store here. And while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go back to the list. And I'm going to go ahead and get another one. So let's just do this Family Island. Alright, so it's going to take me to the App Store. Alright, and now I'm going to go to the home screen and wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see if they're downloaded. So the Travel Town is done. So I'm going to go ahead and run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to play through this, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just running this. So yeah, it's pretty easy to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and play through this right here, as you can see. Alright. So anyway, guys, now I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other app. So that's the Family Island, so it's another game. So I got to go ahead and play through it right here. As you can see, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this. So it's super cool, guys. So let me just go ahead, do this right here, as you can see. Alright. So I'm just playing through that. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Nothing too crazy. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and see if we got the code. So I'm going to go back to the website, guys, and let's see if the code's there. So I'm not sure if it's there. Oh my gosh, it worked. So let's go ahead and put this in and see if it is a real code. Because obviously just because we have the code doesn't mean it's real. So I'm going to go ahead and press redeem now. And let's see if it actually works. So let me just go ahead and type this in. Alright, and we're going to find out, guys, if it is working. So I'm just going to go ahead and type this in. Alright, let me just put that in. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to type this in right here. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's find out. Just going to put in the whole code. And we're going to see, guys, what happens. Alright, let's see. This is the moment of truth, guys. I'm going to go ahead and press next. And let's see. Oh my god, it says processing. Alright, so we're just going to wait. Hopefully it does process it. So let's see what happens. And is it going to work? Yo, code redeemed. So this is crazy, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get this for your device. Super cool.